In today's episode, the hammer will break, we receive package, and got sweet revenge. Yeah. Hi. Welcome to the episode number 7 to the playlist about restoration of our BMW 2002. Today my dad will make a repair sheet metal for the bottom of the passenger door. He cut the sheet metal to the necessary dimensions and now we are adjusting the radius on the English wheel to match the door. By replacing the lower wheel, we will achieve a slightly different shape. We will check the radius using this template. Spokojenost?
Jo.
Since the sheet metal is longer than the metal bender we have at home, we will use this machine. I hope correct English word is bead roller. In our language it is signovačka.
This machine consists of a solid cast iron stand and two shafts. The upper pressure shaft is mounted on a pin at the back of the machine, and its front part ensures that the material is clamped between the rolls. The lower support shaft is movable and allows the rolls to be centered in the correct position in the axial direction. We added a steering wheel from a Citroen to ours for more convenient drive.
Hej, přitáhnu. No, můžeme. Jo.
When the bottom edge is at least roughly ready, that outlines where the cut will go. He taps the rest of the edge by hand with a hammer on the bench.
Kovářovicko byla.
The new panel is attached using these clamps. Before cutting, Dad put the radius in the template and taped it from the inside so we can check it in the future. Before welding, I attach the template. Dad presses from below so that sheet has the required radius and spot weld it.
Jo, musím najít tu správnou. Jo. Dobrý. 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 No.
Tady mi to sedí hezky. On the large surfaces, he welds in segments and cools it with air to prevent the sheet from warping due to the heat. In the meantime, we also received this package. Because our engine was without carburetors, we ordered a new one. And our package goes from Spain to England, then to Finland, where we ordered it from company Retrospeed Finland, and over Lithuania it came to our house. The great fun is that the guy from the Finland has the same last name as us. That's funny because our last name is not common even in our country. Inside the box there are other boxes, where there is nothing else but two twin Weber 40 DCOE carburetors made in Spain, including mounting accessories, intake manifold and throttle control. No. Karburátor číslo 1. Nic moc za ty prachy, ne? Mohlo by tam toho být víc. It seems that in future we will use this filter from KN. For the younger generation, at least a quick explanation of what a carburetor is. It's a magical device attached to the engine via intake manifold. The carburetor mixes air with gasoline, and this mixture then travels to the combustion chamber. The next step in evolution after carburetor is fuel injection, which was used for example in the 2002 TIE model. This shortcut stands for Turismo International Injection. And why two double carburetors? At the cost of higher consumption, the engine gets a better and sharper responses, because each cylinder has a direct supply of fuel and air. According to the information I get, it should be about 16 horsepower extra. Originally, this car had an engine that had a mechanical fuel pump, which was on the engine head powered by the camshaft. Our newly built 2-liter engine needs an electric fuel pump. I got recommended this one from Facet. Anyone who has seen the previous parts will definitely remember this screw that won't come out. Ta podložka to sundává.
Ne, takhle no. Počkej, já dám lutepeč. Ale to tam drží festově teda. Tak nevidím.
to něco?
Ne. On se ani nehne. Počkej.
Finally, we removed the master brake cylinder with the booster and loosened the rod that came from the pedal, and the job was done.
Jo, ty venku,
Jo.
počkej.
Ty vole, moje záda.
Já potřebuji šroubovat. Je to tvoje.
Mhm. Počkej, no.
Počkej, musíš koupit chladiči.
Máš.
Ty si se šprcnul tady.
No. Jo. Finally, out of curiosity, we put the screw under the press, and despite this pressure, it didn't move at all. Luckily, we still have this entire upper part of the pedal assembly, so we'll use another one. If you are enjoying this series, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you are new here, here is a playlist with all episodes about this car in one place. And more coming soon, because in next part, my dad will continue in the body repairs and makes another repair panel from scratch.